Today, I'm demonstrating how to install a complete Linux distribution on any Android device without using termux, without root access, and without any complicated setup procedures. This method gives you a full-fledged Linux experience right on your smartphone, allowing you to run a real desktop environment in just a few steps. Before walking through the installation process, let me showcase what you'll achieve with this setup. As you can see, I'm running a complete GNOME desktop environment with all the essential Linux tools at my disposal. The system includes a full-featured file manager, web browser, and the powerful Debian package management system. One significant advantage is the seamless integration with your Android storage. You can access your phone's internal storage directly from Linux, making file transfers effortless. The process begins in the Google Play Store by searching for GNOME Desktop and installing the application. While this isn't a free application, it offers a generous trial period of 360 minutes without requiring payment information. Even after the trial concludes, you can continue using it for 1 hour daily. For those who find value in this tool, the full version costs less than $5. An excellent investment considering the functionality it provides. After installation, launch the app and select Trial, then tap on the Linux option. The system will download the necessary files and firmware from their servers. The download duration depends on your internet connection speed and device performance. Once the download completes, a confirmation dialog will appear. Tap OK and select Linux again to launch your new Linux environment. As you can witness, this is remarkably straightforward, perhaps the simplest Linux installation method I've ever demonstrated on this channel. However, there's one crucial configuration step remaining to ensure optimal performance. To prevent Android from terminating your Linux session, we need to disable the Phantom Process Management system. Close and reopen the GNOME application, tap Phantom Process icon, and select Next. This will split your screen and open Android's developer options. Enable wireless debugging in the developer options menu. Ensure your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network for this step. Copy the port number displayed in developer options and enter it in the left panel of GNOME. Tap Next, then scroll down in developer options to locate the pairing code option. Enter this code in the GNOME panel, tap Next, re-enter your port number, and tap Next again. With this configuration complete, the Phantom Process Management is now disabled for your Linux environment. For context, Phantom processes in Android refer to background applications that aren't actively being used. Since Android 12, the system aggressively manages these processes to optimize battery life and performance. By disabling this feature specifically for GNOME, we ensure our Linux environment remains operational even when running in the background. You now have a fully functional Linux distribution running on your Android device. This setup offers remarkable versatility, allowing you to run desktop